Alright-ke mbukeli, siyakwamukela siyakubingelela iKalamba Films likwethulela umemulo weintombi zakwaCebekhulu okuzinkosi noZomusa Cebekhulu. Njengamanje sicela ukukuthatha sikuse straight to Osingabo besichazele kabanzi ngosuku labo kanye nje nenjabulo ababhekene nayo abazali babo bebenzela into enhle kangaka. Njengamanje let's go straight to Osingabo.
Namhlanje umhlaka 8 October 2022 igama uZenkosi ndinosisi wami wele wami uZomusa abakaCebekhulu wele bakaCebekhulu. Usuku lesi namhlanje siyamemula umkhuliso wethu sila kwaDlangeza ekhaya.
Sijabulile, like we've been waiting for this day and it's finally here. Like we're so excited and to just see everyone looking so beautiful.
The preparations were
and the weather is just great. So
yes, because we're a little bit nervous, yeah, but it's coming together very well. We're just happy with the suku sefigile and lizobazinhle.
yes,
Ngithanda so process so far. It's just incredible. It is so incredible. We look forward to this.